Listen, people always say, man, I can't afford that. And I'm like, hold up, stop right there. You can afford anything if you stop thinking like a customer and start thinking like a creator. Money isn't always about what's in your pocket, it's about what's in your brain. That's right, your creativity is the real wallet. And let me tell you, when you realize that, it's like finding the cheat code to life. Take books, for example. Some of y'all think you need to be Shakespeare to write one. Nah, bruh. You lived life, right? You got stories, lessons, funny moments? That's a book. Package it up, put it on Amazon, boom. You just created something that can bring in money while you sleep. And don't act like your life isn't interesting. I've seen people write whole books about their cats. If Mr. Whiskers can get a check, so can you. Or let's say you know how to cook. I'm not saying you gotta be Gordon Ramsay, but if you got one recipe your friends keep begging you for, turn that into an offer. Make an online cooking class, sell your secret sauce, shoot a little video series. Next thing you know, you're making money teaching people how not to burn spaghetti. And trust me, there's a market for that. I've seen folks pay real dollars just to learn how to boil an egg. And here's my favorite, experiences. People will pay you for the vibe you create. You good at throwing parties? Host themed game nights. You funny? Put together a comedy night in your garage, charge folks $5 and a plate of food. I've seen people flip the simplest things into income just because they packaged it with some energy. Creativity is like seasoning. Sprinkle it on anything and suddenly it's valuable. So the next time you say, I can't afford it, I want you to catch yourself. The question ain't, can I afford it? The question is, how can I create it? You got ideas, you got skills, you got stories. That's your currency. Don't let that creativity sit in the garage collecting dust. Put it to work. Because the truth is, you can afford anything, as long as you're willing to create something.